Hello guys, how to get the saber stone in free? Go the jungle and come here. We can find the 5 buttons. You can click here and go that side. You can click this button and you go you can see there's some buttons in there. No, you don't see, not here. Here is the 2 button, there is the 3 button. And see some, there is the 1 button or more 2 buttons is where there is 1 button, the last button is in, I think it is in can I find this or 5 buttons in here, 1 button, last more is button in here. I'm saying, but I cannot find it. Can find this? It is like this here. Okay, you can find here. Okay, buttons. Last more. I will not find the last more button. Okay, please solve. Now you can go here. Here. Okay. What is going on, my character? Now you can go. You can take this torch. Okay. You can take this torch. Okay. I have not money. I will give you. You can go now in desert island. Desert island is this sand house. You can go and you have some light. You can take light in your hand and you can fire in this clothes and you can go this house and you can see here is some cup. You can take this and go in Frozen Island. You can go in Frozen Island. Frozen Island is this. What is this in this? Wow, level 1 running. Where is the frozen egg? Now you can go this cave. And you can take the cup in your hand. And you can take the water in this cup here. And you can go the segment. You can give the cup the segment. Now you can go the pilot village. Okay. This is the pilot village. Now you can go the rich man and talk. He said thank you for getting my money back. Now you have some rail key and go in jungle. Go in jungle first. Come here and take the rail key and open the door. See, this is a give you saber sword. Thank you. Like and subscribe, please.